Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nchupagama. Coming up next on Uzalo this week. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Monday. Ntambisi Preja Colonia Mabaso. Kuala San Unweekly Trash Nosipo Gender Reveals Part. Kapsile is caught between a rock and a hard place. Tuesday. Kapsile found comfort in Ntambisi arms. Kazimolo avoids spending time with his father, while his boy is unimpressed about who pay him a visit. Wednesday, Sbu gives Mondli a new leader into his investigation of Mtambisi. Kapsile and Mtambisi are each closer to getting coached by Nkonzi, while Nosipho baby kick much to Nkazmulo annoyance. Thursday, Nkonzi comes dangerous closer to the truth while Flavor creates some much needed boundaries. Jeza is disappointed in Hlelo choosing Chooser, and Mbata plans are finally coming together. Friday, Mondli gets the wool pulled over his eyes after making progress on a case. Hlelo gets a big news. Nosipho and Pastor Kwala found out something new about Kazmulo. That is for tonight, this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.